just come out here, and it's about 11:30 at night, and our Fiona has finally given birth to 5 kittens. Obviously very quickly. So we've given her some silver beet and some carrot to replenish her energy. And what they do is she makes a blanket out of her fur. And it's still quite a mild night. She's worked up an appetite. So today's date is the 5th of April. Just in time for Easter. Looks like we've got a couple of little white ones. There they are. They're so ugly when they've just been born. So they're just on an hour old. So cover them up and she'll look after them, hey? Good girl. Yeah. You're a good mummy.